To all you welders out there, in regards to the 1x1 square tubing, is it worth your time to fit and weld a radius on this, taking 5 to 15 minutes to do the rounded corner on the square tubing? Or is it worth your time to just spend $1 or $2 and buy this prefab rounded corner piece? I just discovered this. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. Here's a rounded corner on a square tubing, welded and then smoothed out and painted. But before I found out, here's the YouTube hack where you mark out 1 inch on the radius, 1 5/8 up until the square piece that you cut out. Then you have to cut out the radius. Then you have to clean it up. And by the time you do both sides, then you bend it around and weld it, which seems like a hassle. There's always troubleshooting.